And welcome back to BirdSeed here. In this video, we're going to just talk about an overview of the BirdSeed tool itself and get you accustomed to the dashboard and how you can navigate through this. And then in further videos, we're going to break down the actual tools and get into some more in-depth training. But right now, I'm just logged into our BirdSeed account that we have here. And the first thing you'll see when you log in is going to be the analytics dashboard. So here we can see my visitors, page views, how many clicks or engagements we've had through the BirdSeed panel on the website, as well as how many times someone's contacted us in any way. I can go to the top right and adjust these. I can see I have clicks. I can go directly to contacts, questions, searches. If I wanted to go to clicks, this will show me a breakdown of how many times someone's actually clicked and engaged with my tool. So I had 5 people look at live chat, 7 people checked out some videos. We had some user feedback, some contact forms, as well as all these other features as well. So like contact, I can see 4 people completed chats, 2 people completed forms, and 2 left some feedback. So pretty cool. There, and you can also of course go to your date range up top and adjust that. If we wanted to go to last month, I can see those stats there as well. You can customize all of those however you so choose. So and then beneath that on the left hand side, first of all on the left hand side we'll see this panel. This is how you'll be able to navigate through your BirdSeed dashboard. So we have the dashboard here for the analytics, and underneath that we have active conversations. So anytime someone reaches out and wants to converse with you at all, you'll see a conversation pop up here. If someone were to chat in right now and ask a question or reach out in any way, we would see them in the active conversation, be able to click on those conversations and then engage in that chat or in that communication however we want to. So this is where you'll actually be able to manage and navigate through your conversations. Below that we have the contact inbox. This will show us a complete overview of any time someone's contacted us. So contacting through BirdSeed is not just like a contact form. It's going to include chats, it's going to include calls, contact forms, meetings scheduled, email capture, user feedback, and announcements. So all of these are going to show here. So there's like individual things like active conversations. That's where you're actually going to manage your existing conversations you're having. But this is where you can see your contact inbox, go back at old chats if you wanted to here, check out some contact form submissions, go to meetings, email capture. All this information is going to show there for you, and this is where you can manage all the history of your inbox from your contact. So beneath that we have the scheduled dashboard. So right now there are no scheduled meetings, but if I had someone schedule a meeting through the tool, then you'll be able to manage those here. It'll show you like your the name of the person, all the information that you have from the meeting schedule tool, where they were located at when they scheduled the meeting, and just information for you to be able to reach back out, send them an email, shoot them a text for reminders. You can do that as well. And also up top you can choose when you want these events to take place, and you can choose if you want like a short session for a demonstration, or these are just some examples like 30-minute sessions. You can do whatever types of meetings you want and be able to have people schedule those, and they're going to show up here in the schedule meeting option. So beneath that we have customized tools. This is where we're going to actually be able to build out the BirdSeed panel itself. So right now this is the existing panel we have on the birdseed.io website. So you see we have a live preview on the right hand side with our functionality and our tools on the left. So I can see what will look like. This is we are BirdSeed, welcome, here's some questions. If you want to add a new tool, we can add a new tool in here, and you see we have the list of our tools available to add. You can also create groups inside of your BirdSeed panel and simply drag them, your tools inside of your groups to organize them in a better way. So if you wanted to have a group and then add some different tools inside of that, you can do that. You'll notice on this one we have 3 tools inside of here. We have the video showcase, the customer testimonial, and the knowledge library, all inside of this learn more about us tool group right there. So these are available for you to use and adjust and add and create all this fun stuff when you build out your panel. Check out the individual videos on the tools to learn more about that coming up later in this training course. Beneath that we have manage users. So this is where you'll be able to actually manage your users and your teams here. You can create teams, add users, add teams directly to your account, and give people access to be able to manage and help with your systems and your inbound traffic. So of course with BirdSeed you have the free version in which you have one user, the plus version which is going to come with 3 users, and then of course the pro version and on, in which you can get 15 and continue to add on more buckets of users. So if you ever want more users, if you find it'll be easier with a bigger team, reach out to us. We can help you out with that. Below that we have proactive messages. So this is where you're going to be able to control all your proactive messages for your pages. So the proactive message feature is one of the coolest tools we have available. It's going to allow you to very easily just engage with people immediately on your website. It has an automatic message that pops up. You can edit you can have videos or images on there, GIFs on there to get their attention, choose what tools you want to display, and it's a really great way to engage with people. So you can add all of those here. You'll be able to add new proactive messages, add existing ones. For more in-depth training on that, check out the proactive messages training, our video that is coming later in this training. And then below that we have our panel settings. So this is where you'll be able to do things like style your panel, set your working hours, be able to actually embed your code onto your website to be able to put the BirdSeed app on your website. All these tools there, email appearance, calendar, testimonies, even notification sounds, you can adjust those there. And we're going to have individual videos for all of those as well, so just keep an eye out for those. And at the very bottom, you can go to your account settings. You can see you can change between different BirdSeed panels here, or dashboards here if you want to. So if you use one BirdSeed account for a couple different things, you can manage and jump between your different dashboards there. Check out your profile, go to your company information. If you want to play with some integrations, you can use integrations like Zapier or other integrations. We have some videos in here for you as well, which is really cool. And then also below that, you're going to find billing information, how you can put your billing info in there. If you want to download the desktop app for either Mac or for Windows for BirdSeed, which is what I'm using right now, you can actually download those here, and you can get some support and of course log out. So that's the overview just of this left side panel inside of BirdSeed. Pretty straightforward. Keep watching along if you want to learn some more about the tools and start diving in there and building out BirdSeed for your business. So thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.